Actually replace the whole, well, repaint the whole wardrobe, but I just want to get the top redone so I can fit it back on because they pulled it apart, and I'll show you. Black, and then I'm going to put some silver edging bits on it. So there's quite a bit of detail in it. 3 colours, now that I look at it. I painted this black section with black and then I painted it with glue. This is it. Let's see what we can make of it. And also the lock. Now I managed to get the screws with the lock, the whole candle, and I'm rubbing it all along the runners. I'll do that on both sides. I got pretty curious. Silver glitter, but just a little bit. Nice. And just to make sure, yay!